Hello my beautiful people and welcome to my vlog. Today I haven't vlogged in so long, but I decided there is a nice occasion, plus I had a lot of content, like professional content as a psychologist, and I wanted to share a little snippet of my life in this vlog. Give me more. Let me be like I'm a new black. So we have the Halloween season coming up, and I wanted to organize a little girlfriend get-together for pumpkin carving and celebrating this holiday. Honestly, me personally, I've never celebrated Halloween before, like probably ever, and I've been in US for 11 or 12 years because I always was like, I don't understand this holiday, I don't want to celebrate the dead, la la la, it's a hooker's holiday, it's a slutty holiday. But this year I'm really coming into understanding what it feels like to just be joyous and happy and praiseful of the differences that we have, the novelty, the seasons, and how I can celebrate my life by putting attention into the details of every season changing and every holiday. So I had this idea of gathering my girlfriends together because I'm gonna be gone for Halloween itself. I'm gonna be in Nashville. If you are not subscribed yet, go ahead to my Instagram because I do share daily there all my adventures, and I wanted to do a little something special for my friends and my girlfriends. So today I am going to the dollar store. We're gonna see what kind of accessories and stuff for the barbecue that they have. I also want to buy knives for everyone probably so we can carve the pumpkin. I've never carved the pumpkin. Last time I personally carved the pumpkin was like years ago and I don't remember how to do it. So we have this cute little bow over here. I am really cute in my blue outfit, and we're gonna go to the dollar store and see if they have anything fun over there, because sometimes they have these, you know, little details, and I'm telling you, if you learn how to pay attention to these details, your life is going to be so much more fulfilled. I remember talking to one of my friends and he was like, I don't celebrate birthdays, I don't celebrate holidays, I celebrate every single day. And I'm like, this is not celebrating, this is alcoholism. Celebrating is paying attention to novelty and the things that are changing, just like the fact that holidays, they change and they shift and they celebrate how long and how different your life is. So let's go to the dollar store. I will take you with me. I also want to cook a little something special as well, but maybe tomorrow, and then get the pumpkins for everyone, and then I will see you on the following day. Let's go see. Okay, here we go. All the Halloween cuteness. Why is there a mushroom? Okay, this is a turkey. It's too early for a turkey. We need Halloween, guys. We need Halloween. What are we taking from here? Those candles are cute. I might get some of those. This is cute. Like a little basket, and put some candies in it. Maybe. Look at this. I got a full bag of stuff. Of cute little things. I wonder how much this is gonna be. I'm not sure. But they already are preparing everything for Christmas. Oh my god. I want to get some candies for like trick-or-treating, and then knives. That's the last thing that I need from here. Let's see what we got. I got a bunch of stuff, basically mainly for decoration, but I think it's still so super duper cute. I don't know how I'm gonna be using this stuff just yet. I guess we'll see when we get there. I got a bunch of ribbons like that. Maybe we decorate like tables or whatever we're gonna be doing the pumpkin carving. I got some of these cute things to just like put it down. Okay, I think this is adorable. I just got a little fox for no reason, just so he sits there. We also need some candies always on Halloween, so a candle. This one smells so good. These bags are so dirty that like really annoys me so much. But anyway, I also got these forks because I honestly have no idea how to do the pumpkin carving. So maybe this is gonna be useful as a tool. So I got 2 of them. And just some like happy fall. Okay, I told you I got all prepared because I got 4 different knives. Oh, I actually got these for myself. I am sick of my table plates, and these look so cool and sparkly and folly that I'm just gonna put them on my table and I'll keep them for this season to stay with the beige tones. I got a bunch of this stuff. For what, you ask me? I don't know. For festivities. I also got Hershey's, some candies, you know, and these candies, which are like Halloween edition, which is, I think, so cute. So we're gonna try that. And like some pumpkins to just put around the table. And last but not least, some cups for drinks. So that is it. Let me show you. I have accomplished this task for today. Tomorrow I will prepare some cookies and some pasta for my girls, and then we're gonna do barbecue on Saturday. I'm so excited! I am so excited! You see, balancing out the female and male energies. Hey my beautiful people. Okay, so this is day 2. I am preparing. Probably the main thing is to get the pumpkins for everyone to carve, and I'm meeting my friend at the local pumpkin patch, I think it's called, to get the pumpkins. Hi baby, you got a baby! You got 4 pumpkins here, hello! Was a success. Okay, we got plenty of pumpkins, like 10 or 13 pumpkins for the girlfriend dinner, all in different shapes and forms. It is so cute. Look at this. And then somebody, they're gonna just pick one that they like. And I also got this thing. This is a sticker pattern, something you can cut it through with, which is nice. So can't wait. Also, guess how much all these pumpkins were. Oh my god, look who we met here. Oh my god, you're so cute. Hello. Okay, today is the next day, the day of the pumpkin carving that I have been preparing for my girls. I want to attempt to make some cookies. I already made a pasta that I had with like little pumpkin, like a cold salad pasta. And look at this thing that I have ordered from Amazon, which is so cute. I already baked a part of that, but now I want to try like a special recipe for it. I'm not sure, because I am not a chef. I am not a great chef. But we're gonna try and then go and see some of my friends. Big reveal over there. Okay, this is what we have. I don't know why I ended up having less than I thought I would, but here we go, guys. Let's see. Okay, it's too hot. It's too hot. Kind of tastes like it's ready, to be honest. Okay, regardless of the mess that I did make with some of them, they end up looking so cute. Oh my god, guys, this is so fun. Give him some eyes right here, and this guy too. Wow, I'm a baker, bitch. Wow. Baby, say hi. That is so. Are these horns or eyebrows? Like eyebrows. The little devil horns. That is so cute. Wow. Okay, you gave up on yours? Did you give up on yours? You're like, it's just like halfway there. That is so cute though. Is it hard to carve it like that? Is it? Okay, I gotta get into it.
Right? I know.
Wow.
Right?
Yeah, imagine putting like a little light inside of it.
So cute.
Did you moist it?
Mine is not as impressive.
You just had a head out. Like, it's amazing. It actually needs like your hair, curly hair over it, and that's it. That would be cute though. Imagine putting like some, I don't know, something green. So for the whole night we carved pumpkins with my girlfriend, and I'm so excited that I was able to organize this little get together and hopefully inspire you as well to put some attention to small things and small details in love and in life, not just in love, where you can celebrate your friends, you can celebrate holidays, you can celebrate moments.
I love it. Can I make it stop?
It's like the fieriest personality, literally less fiery and just like a passive guy. Yeah, that was my first carving in America, and I am so grateful that I got to do it with some of my friends. And this is my pumpkin. I know this is not the most impressive one, but regardless of that, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and let me know if you have any questions down below. I love you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.